Windows are essential to the overall comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic of your home. Over time, however, windows can become worn, damaged, or inefficient, leading to higher energy bills, decreased curb appeal, and even safety concerns. If you're living in Auburn Hills, Michigan, you may experience unique challenges related to the local climate and weather patterns. Below are the top 5 signs that it's time to consider window replacement for your home. Visible damage or cracks. One of the most obvious signs that you need a window replacement is visible damage. Whether it's a crack in the glass, chips, or a window frame that's starting to rot, these imperfections compromise the integrity of your windows. Auburn Hills experiences all 4 seasons, with harsh winters and humid summers. Over time, the constant expansion and contraction of window materials due to temperature fluctuations can lead to cracking and warping. Damaged windows can also let in drafts, water, and even pests, which can increase your energy bills and potentially cause structural issues in your home. Increased energy bills. If your energy bills have been rising despite efforts to keep your heating and cooling costs down, your windows might be the culprit. Older windows, especially those that are single-paned or improperly sealed, allow air to escape from inside your home, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. During the chilly Michigan winters, cold drafts coming through the window can make your heating system work overtime. Similarly, in the summer, hot air may enter your home, causing your air conditioner to run constantly. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows with features such as double or triple glazing, low-E glass coatings, and argon gas insulation can significantly improve the energy efficiency of your home. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient alternatives will not only keep your home more comfortable but also lower your monthly utility bills. Difficulty opening and closing windows. If you've noticed that your windows are difficult to open or close, it's a clear sign that they may need to be replaced. Windows that are stiff, jammed, or do not lock properly can pose a serious safety risk, especially in the event of an emergency. This issue can be caused by warped window frames, swollen wood, or worn-out mechanisms due to age and exposure to the elements. In Auburn Hills, where the climate sees drastic changes between seasons, the wooden window frames or sashes may contract and expand, leading to issues with functionality. If you're struggling to open your windows easily or can't secure them tightly, it's time to look into replacing them with newer, more reliable models that will improve the safety and convenience of your home. Excessive condensation or fogging between panes. Another common sign that it's time for a window replacement is the presence of condensation or fogging between the panes of glass. This indicates a broken seal within a double or triple paned window. The seal is designed to keep moisture out, but when it fails, the window becomes less efficient at insulating your home. Condensation can also be a breeding ground for mold and mildew, leading to potential health hazards and damage to your home's interior. If you're seeing foggy windows that cannot be cleared or moisture between the glass panes, it's time to consult with a professional to determine if replacement is necessary. Replacing these windows will restore your home's insulation and eliminate the moisture-related issues. Outdated appearance. Finally, if your windows are outdated or no longer complement the style of your home, it's worth considering an upgrade. Old, worn-out windows can detract from your home's curb appeal, making it look less inviting. Whether your windows are made of outdated materials, have peeling paint, or simply look tired, replacing them can breathe new life into your home and boost its aesthetic value. In Auburn Hills, where many homes reflect traditional or modern styles, installing contemporary windows can enhance the overall look and feel of your home. Modern windows come in a variety of styles and finishes that can match the architectural features of your property, all while offering better performance. Conclusion. If you're noticing any of these 5 signs, visible damage, increased energy bills, difficulty opening or closing your windows, condensation between panes, or an outdated appearance, it's time to consider window replacement. Not only will new windows improve your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal, but they can also enhance your comfort and safety. For residents of Auburn Hills, Michigan, a professional window replacement company can help you select the best options for your home, taking into account local weather conditions and your specific needs. Don't wait for the problem to worsen. Contact a local expert today and invest in window replacement to enhance the value and comfort of your home.